Since January 5, 2023, our system ranks Zomedica as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.128. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 30.48% since we first told you to buy Zomedica 15 days ago. This is an average return of 2.03% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Zomedica, our last headline reads, Zomedica stock price ended on $0.250 on Thursday after losing 3.1%. The Zomedica stock price fell by -3.10% on the last day, Thursday, January 26, 2023, from $0.258 to $0.250. It has now fallen 6 days in a row. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.13% from a day low at $0.243 to a day high of $0.260. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days but is still up by 3.82% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -1 million shares, and in total, 8 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.99 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $0.500, and the lowest price was $0.150. Right now the price is 50%, or $0.250, below 52-week high and 91.61%, or $2.73, below all-time high June 22, 2018 where the price hit $2.98. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 4.66% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -32.06% and 23.04%. The 12-month trend indicates a -26.83% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -67.34% and -3.70%. This equals a price between $0.0817 and $0.241 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, January 6, 2023, Dawson James set price target to 6. On Monday, November 16, 2020, H.C. Wainwright & Company set price target to 0.3. On Wednesday, June 17, 2020, H.C. Wainwright & Company set price target to 0.5. From analysts, Zomedica stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give P/E ratio a buy and price to book a buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Zomedica. The Zomedica stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $0.268. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $0.210. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 17, 2023, and so far it has fallen -14.50%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 26 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. By signal 9 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Zomedica. Zomedica finds support from accumulated volume at $0.250, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.0173 between high and low, or 7.13%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 5.76%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Zomedica. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Zomedica currently has a price-earning ratio of -5.00. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released March 07, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $0.0100. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Zomedica meets first resistance at $0.268. If you do not hold Zomedica shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Zomedica finds first level of support at $0.250, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Zomedica is neutral. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On December 9, 2022, Cohen Robert made an inside buy of 1,465,727 of options to buy common stock. On December 9, 2022, Powers Johnny D made an inside buy of 1,465,727 of options to buy common stock. On December 9, 2022, Nichols Pamela made an inside buy of 231,431 of options to buy common stock. On December 9, 2022, Roe Jeffrey M made an inside buy of 1,465,727 of options to buy common stock. On December 9, 2022, Wayland Shawn made an inside buy of 1,157,153 of options to buy common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 76.873. In total, the insiders bought 92,678,574 and sold 11,093,751 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $0.236, minus 5.70%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 7 days ago. Is Zomedica stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for Zomedica stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 27th, we expect Zomedica to open up $0.0009 and start trading at $0.251. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to